it softly spoken with no strings tied.
Okay, they're your siblings.
He doesn't give a
I know, right? He just doesn't understand it, honey. Patchy, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
He understands.
Come
He wants
here,
to
buddy. Leave the birds alone, honey, okay? Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. You need to leave the birds alone, honey, okay? Okay? Because they're just minding their own business, honey. See, look at that. Hey, listen here, bud. Hey, come here. Patch. Hi. It's okay. Yeah, they're not gonna get you, honey. Okay? Are you jealous? They're just up there, baby. Yeah. Hey, no. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. There's Lexi's birds. They like it, honey. They like it up there.
I wonder what happens if I move.
Huh?
What if I just take the other end of the food case since I'm not very close to them if I do that?
I don't know. Don't do that because you will scare them. Retchie. Hi, honey. Okay? Oh, I think Daddy's home.
I found the bite mark.
Where? The doggy bit you? I'm sorry.
I found his bite mark and it's not good.
Sorry, honey. He just doesn't understand it. He's still jealous of the birds, but he'll get used to it. Hi, birdies. Cookie. Cookie, at least. What are you doing? What are you doing up there, birds?
We have musical birds.
We have musical birds up there. And Lexi's down here.
Hello. This is not my plan. Sorry.
Birdies.
I swear, Cookie just crapped on my food case.
Uh-oh. Bird, don't crap on... They're so cute.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Daddy. Hello, birdies.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken with no strings tied.